Well, I'm gonna jack be quick on YouTube. If I wouldn't be quick if I just did intros and stuff. So this is my review on the ECS tuning rear wheel drive conversion kit. They have like a 4-part video. It's irrelevant. They literally spend most of the time welding the piece that you don't use. They send you a 3-inch steel block that's about that big. And it's probably about a 3-hour job if you don't struggle on bolts at all. And that's like being serious. So that's about how long it took me. A little longer because I'm 205,000 miles. And yeah, but I have won a drift battle in this car. So we actually have drifted it fairly hard. I've gone through a set of tires. So far, I mean, it drives like a normal car down the highway still, just feels rear wheel drive. I am doing this CV right now. I kind of have a vibration. It was clinking in reverse. But 205,000 mile car, but it's an actual S4. So, you know, like in their videos, they have an A4. So like you don't have to move the exhaust. I didn't. All you do is basically remove this whole trans mount piece. And then you're going to take, you know, something like that guy and put him up there. And then you will take this back piece off. This little, you can see where the start of all those are. You got to get all the way around those. Not very hard. If you've ever done a trans, this is like it's refreshing how easy it is. So yeah, and that's all you really need. That's all you really need to know, to be honest. You put all that back together. You're gonna, you know, change your fluid out at that time, and then you're gonna go pretty much drive rear wheel drive. Get all, you know, your axles out, mine are out, and go have a good time. And then you can always just put it back. And then I suggest maybe like taping your bolts and stuff to it, like what I've done. And yeah, that's a wrap. Stay tuned, because ECS ended up sending me some coilovers. So we're going to do the most Rust City, crazy, beat up B8.5 you've ever seen. Like, look at this rust, man. I'm gonna have some lessons.